Hi, my name is Chef Aiden, and we're preparing potato salad.
I'm Chef Charlie. So the first step is get 5 potatoes, 3 eggs, and a cup of celery, and put them in the pan and cook them. So we gotta start by dicing up the potatoes, and I'll get the grill going.
Do I square it off?
Yeah. I forgot a plate.
Oh my God. And then do we just start cutting?
Yeah. Just dice it.
Okay.
And then while that's going, start the boiling water for the next step.
Oh.
Now I'll put these on the pan so they can cook. And these will cook till about like so soft, but not too soft. Let's go in the salt water.
And then these potatoes go in the salt water. So I'm supposed to do that.
Yeah. All right, then we just let those cook in there until they're tender and still firm. While those are cooking, we can start on the. Well, we gotta wait for those to cook. Then we drain the water, and then
No, let them cool.
yeah.
Okay. And then with the extra potatoes, we're just gonna put them in a bowl.
All right, so now we're gonna get the eggs, and the celery. We're gonna put them in with on the warm pan. Let them cook for a little bit.
Do we have a mixing bowl? Do we have a mixing bowl?
No. All right, now we'll just put the celery in with the potatoes that we cooked a little while ago.
That's it. What was the last thing?
That's good. All right, now while those are cooking, I'm just gonna strain these potatoes into here. Just pour them.
Sorry, I forgot to.
Or you can just leave it. We'll just cook these till they're a little clear. And then I'll take all our mayo, our relish, our garlic powder, and our, what's it called?
Garlic salt.
Garlic salt, and put it in the big bowl and mix it all together.
That's all that matters, man.
Do you have what else in there? We put the celery in with there too. Scrape it off. Not that cool. And then mix this together. And while he's doing that, I'll dice the onion. Now he's peeling the hard-boiled eggs. I'll mix these onions in with the mixture. When you put the eggs in there, cut the eggs into fours so it mixes around nicely. I think we're done.
Okay.
And we're done. Thanks for tuning in to the Tasty Tiger, and hope to see you next time.